Hey OlaFam, my name is Raymond and I'm at the OLAPLEX hair studios. I'm going to show you how I take my gorgeous hair and keep it looking gorgeous using OLAPLEX No. 3 Hair Perfector. Maybe you've heard of her. She is the bestseller, she's the vibe, she's the moment, she's an icon. Let's get into it. So I'm going to go get my hair a little damp and then I'll be right back and I'll show you how easy it is to apply. Okay, I'm back. So you're going to want to start with damp hair. It doesn't have to be squeaky clean, but if you got a lot of buildup, you're going to want to wash it out and then towel dry it. OLAPLEX No. 3 is a pre-shampoo reparative hair treatment, not conditioner. So what it does is it repairs and strengthens the bonds of your hair, keeping your hair super strong, just like my girl Brittany. Alright guys, I'm going to apply a small amount because a little goes a long way. It's very spreadable. Alright, so I'm just going to apply a small amount to one side of my head. Just do a little bit. Spreads pretty easily. Just work your way up to your root. Right now I'm going to apply it to the other side. I like to really massage it into the ends of the hair, just to really make sure I get all the bond technology in there. Alright guys, I'm leaving this on for about 10 minutes. You can leave it on for longer if you'd like, but I'm only going to do 10 minutes today. I'm going to follow up with 4 and 5 in the shower. When my hair is looking a little bit brassy and I need some tone in my life, I'll use OLAPLEX No. 4P, which is amazing. And then when my hair's looking real dry and thirsty, I'll use the OLAPLEX No. 8, the moisture mask, which is my favorite. Alright guys, these are the results. I just did 6 and 7, my magic potion, before I styled my hair. And it feels healthy, strong, bouncy, and beautiful, clearly. And when my hair's like this, I just feel like all I want to do is strut, so I'm going to go hit the town. Bye!